You're going to benefit from 18 life lessons that it took me decades to figure out, all by the end of this short video. And you know, always the late bloomer, I was almost 18 when I graduated high school, but I looked like I was 13. I was the last in my class to experience puberty. This is one reason that I could not attract a high school girlfriend or even a prom date, though I tried, so I didn't even go. Well, when it was time for me to go out into the real world at age 18, I felt a palpable fear and uncertainty. I was underdeveloped and impressionable. So here are 18 lessons that I want to share with my 18-year-old self. The first one is that you know nothing, but you're not alone. You have so much to learn, 18-year-old Keith, so don't pretend like you know it all. Society actually likes when you're genuinely inquisitive and want to learn. That's the good news. Secondly, don't fear being different. In fact, that's your advantage. In high school and even college, winners fit in, but in the real world, winners stand out. Avoid normalcy. It's a synonym for mediocrity. You don't want to be normal. Thirdly, work to learn. Only after that do you work to earn. Number 4, no one cares about your college grades. For your interests, college is optional, not mandatory, 18-year-old you, regardless of what your friends are doing. Find an energy for learning. Be autodidactic. That means self-taught. Focus on becoming a person of value. Number 5, keep moving and limit processed food. Health is wealth. Prioritize physical exercise over money making. If you want to live to be 100, you better understand that you're going to be living inside that same body when you're 100. Sixth is that failure can be all right, even good. In school, you learn that mistakes are bad and should be avoided. But a failure that you recuperate from demonstrates that you tried, you learned a lesson. And then go ahead and tell others how bad you failed. They're either going to relate or they're going to learn. Not failing enough, that means that you didn't try enough. So don't live a life where you don't try enough. Number 7 is don't follow paths that other people have made. Yeah, others guide you, but create your own map. If you find yourself soullessly trading your time for dollars at a job at some point, if you're selling your time for money, and you're going to know when you're doing this, build a plan to quit fast, because you're never going to get that time back. Never. This is not a dress rehearsal. This is your life. Number 8, research, commit, then be consistent. Prepare for disappointment. Most people will not be as committed as you. Important commitments range from showing up on time to your appointments all the way to marriage. Ninthly, learn about investing in real estate. Everyone needs it. It's made more ordinary people wealthy than anything else. And there aren't just millions of ways to make money in the world. There are millions of ways to make money just within real estate too. The 10th one is for you to keep real estate and your emotions separate. Facts trump feelings. It is 99% about the market and management and income exceeding expenses. Number 11, make grandma proud. Pretend that she's watching you when you live your life. Live life that's exemplary in what you say and what you do. And when you're not sure what you should do, just act like she's watching you. Number 12, be present. Don't over-anticipate future moments and events. They are less important than the present. Otherwise, you're going to miss out on your entire life, and your life will never not be now. Appreciate now. You know that you have now. You don't even really know fully that you even have the future. 13th is who your friends are matters. It was business philosopher Jim Rohn that said, you are the average of the 5 people that you spend the most time with. So take the average of your 5 closest friends or influencers and average their values and their athleticism and ethics, wealth, fashion sense, travel, neighborhood quality, family structure, and that's nearly who you are going to be. Number 14, finding the truth is more important than being right. People respect you when you say, I was wrong and here's why. They respect that more than trying to defend some antiquated or faulty belief. Number 15 is to give. Money is an abundant resource. You're going to have a great ability to give. Generosity is championed all over the place. It's in the Bible. Whether you live by the Bible or not, you've got to agree that it's an outrageously influential book. Generosity is also Aristotle's third virtue. It's going to make you feel happy when you give. It's good for your health. It's contagious, and it spurs gratitude. Giving ossifies your net value add to the world. It's a way to add value and contribution to the time that you spend on this earth. Number 16, mentors matter. Others see you in a way that you cannot. You're going to meet people smarter than you throughout your life. Ask for their help and even pay for their help. Number 17, what does life want from you? As I learned from the spiritual teacher Eckhart Tolle, don't ask what do I want from life. A more powerful question is, what does life want from me? That's a total paradigm shift. And the 18th and final one is build. Anthropologists suggest that almost everybody is forgotten after just 3 generations. At your trajectory, what is your legacy going to be? Check back here on life lesson number 18 annually throughout your life. Why and how will you be remembered? Epictetus said, how long are you going to wait before you demand the best for yourself? This is your last life ever.